Hi, I'm Skyler. Welcome to AgamidCG, and today is day 29 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. Today's prompt is a futuristic vehicle. For this one, the goal was to avoid spending too much time hunting for references, since that alone can easily turn into a full day. And instead of going down the rabbit hole of cargo ships, overly detailed flying cars, or heavily mechanical designs, the direction landed more on a futuristic motorbike. Tron somehow completely slipped my mind when I was looking for references, but I ended up going in that general direction. Starting from a simple sphere, the main focus early on was to find an interesting wheel shape. A good chunk of that time went into experimenting with different variations and radial symmetry before landing on a rubbery airbag-like form that felt capable of handling multiple types of terrain. Whether or not it makes total sense mechanically, that was the overall vibe. A small cap was extracted to help break up the shape with some detail, but with so many details going on into a relatively thin form, there were plenty of areas where more could have been added, but time constraints just started to become a factor. So about halfway through the hour, the focus shifted towards blocking in the main body just to keep things moving. A curved seat was added along with a rear section that could house some sort of jet or propulsion system, and poly paint was used alongside polish by features and Z-remesher to help keep edges sharp and give the sculpt a more mechanical feel. Combined with extract, this ended up being a solid set of tools to pull the design together really quickly. Time ran out fast, and the bike still felt quite a bit empty. Filling it out properly would probably require a deeper understanding of how a real motorcycle is constructed, what belongs where, and why. An extra 20 minutes or so went into adding some simple pipes and filler shapes so it wouldn't feel completely hollow, and at least pushed it into a usable base mesh or concept territory. In the end, it reads as a nice clean little concept, especially considering this is something that I've never really drawn or worked on before. The last time I've ever really worked on a vehicle was back when I first started in Maya and I did the little RC car tutorial. So this felt like a pretty solid result given the gap. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas for future sculpts, topics for other videos, or feedback on this one, throw it in the comments. I'll see you on day 30.